Hello children, hi, this is Fareen Miss. Today we are going to learn English poem 5 Little Seeds of Unit 3 from English Balbharati textbook. Children, what do you mean by seed? Seed is a part of a plant found inside a fruit or vegetable from which a new plant grows. The poem is related to nature. So in this poem, there is 5 little seeds that they grow and how they look when they grow up. Some grow up into pretty flowers and some seeds grow up into funny weeds, unwanted plant or grass. So we shall be looking this into a poem. Five little seeds. Listen and recite the poem with action. 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds. 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. Now in this picture you can see there are how many seeds altogether? 5. So when we sow the seeds into the soil, 3 will make what? Flowers. And 2 will make weeds. Weeds means unwanted plant or grass. Or in Hindi it is said jangli ghas. Okay children? Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Now under the leaves, you can see in this picture, when the seeds are sown into the soil, how it is waiting to grow under the leaves. The process you can see, day by day it grows into a new plant. Under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes the shower, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes who? Sun. So do you know children, sun helps plants to grow up by giving up its light. And we all living things need sunlight. Down comes a shower. Shower means rain. That rain for a little period of time. So when the plant gets sunlight and rain, what come up with then? We will get 3 pretty pink flowers. And up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs. And up come 2 funny old weeds. Now from 5 seeds, 3 come up with 3 pretty pink flowers. And what happened to the 2 seeds? They come up with funny old weeds, grass, unwanted plant.
Vegetables and fruits seeds. Children, when we cut any fruit or vegetable, we find small seeds inside that. So you can look in this first picture. This is tomato seeds. This is cucumber seeds. Custard apple. This is inside that black it is custard apple seeds. Papaya seeds. This is apple seeds. And this is pomegranate seeds. Inside pomegranate there is something white. So it is seeds of pomegranate. Children, now come to page number 43 of your English Balbharati textbook. This we are going to do in a English Reliable workbook number 3, page number 17. Keywords. Seed, a part of a plant found inside a fruit or vegetable from which a new plant grows. Weed, an unwanted wild plant that grows in garden or fields. Shower, rain that falls for a short time. Pretty, beautiful. Give rhyming words from the poem. Seeds, weeds. Shower, flower. Needs, seeds. Snow, grow. Answer in one word. Now we are going to answer this in one word. How many seeds will grow into beautiful flowers? 3. How many seeds will grow into weeds? 2. What helps the plant to grow? Sun and shower.
What is the color of the flowers? Pink. Look at the picture below. Name the parts of a plant. So it is tomato plant. This is called bud. B-U-D, bud. Bud means, children, it is a covering in which after that it grows into leaves or fruit or flower. Fruit. This is seeds. Leaf. Flower. Stem. Root. The word seed, weed, need have 2 E letters in the middle. Find out some more meaningful words that have 2 E's in the middle. Now, many alphabets are there. So you have to make word in between. We have 2 E's in the middle. Now seed, S-E-E-D. So 2 E comes. Like that you have to make another word from 2 E's that comes in the middle. So let's see how many words we can make. Peel, P-E-E-L, peel. Feel, keep, jeep, seed, weed, seen, peep, weak, weep, feet, keen. Help the plant grow. Tick the things the plant needs to grow. Now different pictures are there. I have to find out what plant needs to grow. Soil, you have to tick this inside the box. Grass, no. Shower, tick mark. This is what? Air. Leaf, no. Sun, yes, you have to put a tick mark. Read and write. This you have to do in your English book number 3, Reliable series. Learn and write, children. Learn those dictation words and write 3 times. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Seeds, seeds, seeds. Shower, shower, shower. Page number 20. Weeds, weeds, weeds. Plant, plant, plant. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Waiting, waiting, waiting. So children, you also plant seed in your garden or in a pot and look whether it turns out to be a flower or a weed or just an unwanted grass or plant. Every day you have to look what it turns out to be. It's day 11. Day by day process. Any seed you can plant. Water it daily. Keep where sunlight comes. Then surely you will get a good result. Roots that grow under the soil. After 25 days, it will look like this.
My dear children and all the viewers, I hope you understand my way of explaining this lesson. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Fareed Miss. You will find an explanatory video on standard 2nd syllabus, the subject of English, Maths and English grammar topics starting from lesson number 1 up till now with notes of State Board Maharashtra. Guys, I want to reach to maximum kids so that in this condition of Corona, children don't miss their studies. Lots of efforts I have put in making these videos so that it reaches them and they learn something from it. Please, viewers, don't let my efforts go in vain. So please comment below your views for further videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.